This is one of our 10-amp DC resistance testers. Let's take a look. It is composed of terminal blocks, power supplies, and LCD screens. Take a look at our accessories. There is a power cord, standard resistance, current test clamp, and ground wire. Composed of insurance printing paper. Let's take a look at the power supply. This power supply of ours is a universal AC/DC model. It can be powered by batteries. It can also be powered by the municipal electricity. Let's turn on the machine and take a look at the interface. The test interface consists of the test module, data query module, time module, and the composition of the settings. Our model of instrument is equipped with Bluetooth function. Download the app on your mobile phone. Scan for Bluetooth connection. Realize wireless communication. This is one of our battery displays. Let's go back and take a look at the test interface. Test interface. Show a close-up shot. We test the temperature environment, temperature selection. There is a conversion temperature and the rated tab and windings. Choose copper and aluminum. The selection of current. It has an automatic mode of less than 20 amperes. Test mode. We are composed of 6 gears. Okay, we conduct a self-check test on a standard resistor. Click back. Turn off the machine. The standard resistor. Insert the red and black wires into the corresponding terminals. Connect the current roughly. Affine connection voltage. Color correspondence. The standard resistance is 2.49 milliamps. Okay, let's conduct a test. Start up. Fortunately, after the test results stabilize, a value of 2.48 milliamps will appear. With our test, standard 2:4049 is consistent. OK, print. We can store it on a USB flash drive. It can also be printed. 2 mode options. Test completed. Click Return to Discharge. OK, then click Back. Shut down. The complete test process is presented.